Forgot your Apple account password? Here's how to reset it. First, use a trusted iPhone or iPad that is already signed into your account. Open Settings. Tap your name at the top of the settings screen. Next, tap Sign in Security, then choose Change Password. Enter the passcode you normally use to unlock your iPhone. Enter your new password, type it again to verify it, then tap Change. Your Apple account password has now been changed successfully. If you don't have access to a trusted device, open your browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Enter your Apple account email address or phone number, then tap Continue. Enter the trusted phone number associated with your Apple account, then tap Continue. Choose the recovery option available for your account and follow Apple's instructions carefully. Account recovery may take several days or longer. Apple support cannot shorten the waiting period. For the third method, borrow an iPhone or iPad from someone you trust and open the Apple Support app. Scroll down to Support Tools, then tap Reset Password. Choose Help someone else to reset the password for your own Apple account. Enter your Apple account email address or phone number, then tap Continue. Enter the trusted phone number associated with your Apple account, then tap Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and create a new password when prompted. Only use these recovery steps for an Apple account that belongs to you. Never share your verification codes, passwords, or recovery details with anyone. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe to Science and Technology News, and turn on notifications for more simple technology guides. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.